This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features a Baham Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, leveling jacks, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, stove top burner, TV antenna, TV, awning, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Spartan K2 with OnGuard Collision System chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450 HP engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.